The 2016 Volvo XC60 Sensus infotainment system is experiencing widespread reset and freezing issues, particularly in aging vehicles. This Linux-based system integrates multiple vehicle functions, making it vulnerable to cascading failures when components malfunction. Start with a soft reset, the gentlest method. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This method has about a 40% success rate for minor glitches and importantly preserves all your user settings and data. If the soft reset fails, try a forced reboot. You have two button combinations to choose from, either power plus volume up plus home buttons or power plus tune knob plus menu button. Hold any combination for 20 seconds or more. This method has a higher success rate of around 65% for moderate system freezes. The third method is a hard reset through the settings menu. Navigate to System, then Factory Reset. However, this method requires the system to be partially responsive, and importantly, it will completely wipe all your user data and preferences. Use this as a last resort when other methods fail. Understanding your infotainment system's components helps identify which reset method to use. The system includes a central processing unit, display interface, various connection ports, and control buttons. When these components fail to communicate properly, the reset methods we've discussed can restore normal operation. To summarize, start with the soft reset for a 40% success rate while preserving your settings. If that fails, try the forced reboot with button combinations for a 65% success rate. Use the hard reset through settings only as a last resort, as it will erase all your data. These progressive methods should resolve most infotainment issues in your 2016 Volvo XC60. When basic resets fail, the most effective solution is the 12-volt battery pull technique. This method has an 80% success rate for persistent infotainment problems. Here's the step-by-step procedure. First, turn off the engine and remove the key. Wait 5 minutes for complete system shutdown. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This is the critical step that allows the system's capacitors to fully discharge. Wait at least 15 minutes, though 30 minutes is recommended for complete discharge. Then reconnect the battery and allow 10 minutes for system initialization. Important warning, this procedure will require you to re-enter your radio code and reconfigure all your personal settings. Make sure you have your radio code before starting. Software updates are also crucial for resolving persistent issues. The final software version for the 2016 XC60 is version 1.7.3, released in 2019. If these methods fail, hardware degradation may be the cause. This is especially common in extreme weather conditions, with 45% of failures occurring in temperatures below 10 degrees or above 95 degrees Fahrenheit. For long-term solutions, consider third-party Android-based replacement systems. These maintain essential vehicle functions like climate control while providing modern infotainment capabilities. To summarize your options, DIY battery disconnect costs nothing, but has temporary results. Professional software updates cost $150 to $300 with 95% success. Complete aftermarket replacement costs $800 to $1,500, but provides a permanent modern solution.